Hey everybody, today we're going to review some digital whiteboards for remote learning. The very first one on the list is one that has no frills, it's nothing that's complicated, and it's very user-friendly. So if you're teaching math, I highly recommend using this resource. This is what the app looks like when you download it, the Whiteboard app. On your app store, if you type Whiteboard, you'll see Whiteboard Easy and Smart, and then this icon will pop up. When you pull up the whiteboard to use on your iPad, you can directly write on it. So here's an example. I really like the font. I like the way it writes. It's really smooth. You can change the color if you want. So if you don't want red, you can change the color. Like I said, it's no frills, not very complicated at all the very first time you use it. When you start on the home screen, you can also add a lot of different things for math, which I really like because it's very quick. I can add a couple of geometric shapes. I can add arrows if we're learning about rays or supplementary or complementary angles. I can also add cones, spheres, any shape. And then I can write directly on it. So if I was to give like a practice problem or something along those lines with my math students, this would be extremely helpful. So I highly recommend using this. You can also put graph paper on here if you want to graph a point, if you're doing the coordinate plane,